Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your bank account on your Stripe account using your phone. It's a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred browser. I'll open my Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in Stripe login and go to Stripe website. Now simply log into your account. Once you're logged in and you're on the main dashboard of your account, you're gonna go to the settings menu. You can see the settings icon over here, so tap on it. Now again, tap on the settings option. Next up, tap on the business section over here. Here you can see the bank accounts and currencies section, so tap on it. You'll see your current bank details over here. So if you scroll to the right, you can see the three dots over here, just right next to your bank account. So tap on it. Now you'll see the options to edit your bank account. So tap on it. It will send you the verification link. So tap on send my verification link. You need to wait until you receive the verification email. As you can see, I've received my email. So tap on the email. Once you open the email, tap on verify me. You will need to enter your password linked with your Stripe account. Enter your password and tap on continue. Now, you will be able to edit your bank account details, enter your new bank account information including your account number, your sort code and any other required details. So here, I have to select my country of bank account. The bank account details differs according to the country, so you can fill up the information as per your countries. After you fill up your informations, tap on edit accounts. And there you go, you've successfully changed your bank account on Stripe using your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.